Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to continue our project, and we're going to make our project now able to switch levels as we progress through the game. So, we're going to actually have to see our GUI again. There we go, visible. And we're going to insert a new script into our GUI. So select it and then scroll over here, double click script. The select inserted object is still not being remembered. I really hope Roblox fixes that soon. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's annoying. And print blah blah blah, we don't need that print hello world. It's just there to show people stuff. Get them started on scripting. So, we're going to need to connect a value to our player. So, or our player's level value. So, we're not going to connect a value, we're connecting an event function thing. I'm confusing you all. Okay, let me rephrase everything I just said. We're going to need to connect an event handler to the event of our level value changing within the player. Hopefully you guys can all guess the first line we're going to write here. Actually, hold on. I almost forgot part of the game logic. Another piece of the game logic is we're having to make sure that it's the level value that's changed. You don't necessarily have to do this, but this is good practice so that you never run into errors. The reason you don't have to do this is because if the level hasn't changed, the rest of the script will not change your script, or will not change anything. It'll still look the same, and the same frame will still be visible. But this will make our lives easier. So local last frame, and we'll make it equal to 0 because 0 is the first level that will be seen. So now script that actually we'll make another local variable, speed our lives up again. Local player equals script dot parent dot the script dot parent dot parent script parent. Now starter GUI, when the player is there, is going to be player GUI. Because remember, everything in the starter GUI is copied to their player GUI. So this is still not the player. Dot parent. The parent of player GUI is the player object. So script dot parent from where this script is will get us to the player. Now, player.level.changed connect function end. Now, inside of here, we're going to put if last frame does not equal player.level.value, then script.parent, remember script.parent, dot level, actually we can't do it that way. If we do it this way, it's still looking inside for the child of it, except we can actually put a string in so we can concatenate. Script.parent level, oops, I hit caps lock apparently, level underscore, and as you guys remember, it's level underscore the number, dot for concatenation, 0, dot visible equals false, last frame, and that dot 0, my bad, that should be last frame. Last frame equals script player dot level dot value, and now we're going to copy this just to speed up our lives and click true and type in true instead of false. So what this function is doing right now is it's checking to make sure the last frame does not equal the current value. Then it's checking, okay, script.parent.level or now it's making the old level equal to, or invisible, because we're concatenating to the last frame, which is currently still set to 0, or whatever the last level was. Then we're changing it to the level value, and then we're doing it again, except we're changing it to true. Because now, say last frame equals 0 at first, we click play, now it's going up to 1. Right here it's going to be 0, and right here it's going to be 1. Okay? So now I'm going to copy that again, paste it back in. So now it's equaling true, and it's working. There's a problem, though, that I don't think I've taught you all how to correct yet. Now, we know that when the player enters, they don't have this level value right away. This script gives it to them. But what if this script, from lag reasons or anything, what if this script right here runs before this script? Well, they won't have a level value to have a change event. They won't have this level value. They'll just be a default player. Well, to make sure that we don't run into that kind of problem, we use a repeat wait, and I will explain what this does in a minute, until player find first child level. So, here's how this is working. Repeat, repeat, as you guys can all hopefully understand, means repeat this, or repeat something. Repeat what I tell you to repeat. So repeat, and then you can name a function, a statement, you can say whatever you want here. Repeat whatever you want it to do. In this case, we just want it to wait, which means wait and then go back. Wait, basically pause the script for however long. If you were to specify in here how many seconds, like 20 seconds or 0.2 seconds, which would be 2/10 of a second, then it would wait that long. However, if you don't supply a value, it goes to the shortest wait possible, which I believe is 0.0. It's either 0.03 or 0.003. One of the two. I'm going to guess 0.03. But I could be wrong. Either way, it's a really short amount of time and you almost don't notice it. So repeat wait like that, because I want it to wait. I don't want it to do anything crazy. Until, okay, this line should look like English to you guys almost. So repeat your waiting cycle until the player can find the first child level. I put it into English. So repeat until the condition after until. It almost works like an if. Repeat wait until the condition is true. So we're saying repeat wait until this player has this child. That's not meant to sound as weird as it came out. And then we can continue with our script. Okay? That's how you're going to avoid an issue with this script running first. So, we're not actually going to test this yet because I've wasted a ton of time explaining this. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I'll catch you guys later.